Hey wildlife enthusiasts! Today we're exploring the legendary dire wolf, an apex predator that once dominated the icy landscapes of North America. You might know them from Game of Thrones, but dire wolves were real, bigger and stronger than modern wolves, with a bone-crushing bite. They played a vital role in their ecosystems, hunting large prey and keeping populations in check. Sadly, dire wolves vanished thousands of years ago, leaving behind only fossils and ancient DNA. But what if science could bring them back? Thanks to breakthroughs in biotechnology, de-extinction is closer than ever. Let's dive in. How do we know about dire wolves? Paleontologists have pieced together their story from fossilized bones, teeth, and footprints. These fossils reveal dire wolves were larger and heavier than gray wolves, with powerful jaws for hunting big prey. They thrived across North and South America during the last ice age, but fossils only tell part of the story. Ancient DNA extracted from dire wolf remains has unlocked secrets about their evolution and genetics. These genetic insights are now fueling the ambitious efforts to bring the dire wolf back. Leading the de-extinction charge is Colossal Biosciences, a company using cutting-edge technology to revive extinct animals. Their team of scientists and conservationists believes de-extinction could restore lost ecosystems and advance biology. Colossal isn't stopping at dire wolves, they're also working to bring back the woolly mammoth. Imagine a world where these giants roam again. Their work is sparking global conversations about technology and nature. Let's see how they're making it happen. Bringing back extinct animals sounds like science fiction, but the technology is real. Scientists use several methods, like backbreeding, selectively breeding living relatives to resemble extinct ancestors. Another approach is cloning, inserting extinct DNA into the egg of a close living species. This was famously used to create Dolly the sheep, but the real game-changer is CRISPR-Cas9, a gene-editing tool that lets scientists precisely modify DNA. CRISPR acts like molecular scissors, cutting and pasting genetic information. This opens up new possibilities for de-extinction. So, how is Colossal Biosciences using these tools to bring back the dire wolf? First, they extract and sequence dire wolf DNA from ancient fossils. Then they compare it to gray wolf DNA to identify genes for size, bite strength, and other traits. Using CRISPR, they edit gray wolf cells, inserting dire wolf genes. These edited cells are used to create embryos, implanted into surrogate gray wolves. If successful, the pups will have many dire wolf characteristics. It's a blend of advanced science and traditional animal husbandry. But are these gene-edited pups truly dire wolves, or something new? Some experts say they'll be hybrids, not exact replicas, since upbringing and environment also shape an animal. Even with advanced gene editing, replicating the full dire wolf genome is impossible. The result is a mix of dire wolf and gray wolf traits. This sparks debate about the ethics and meaning of de-extinction. What does it really mean to bring back an extinct species? The idea of resurrecting extinct animals stirs intense ethical debate. Critics argue de-extinction diverts resources from protecting endangered species alive today. Others worry about the welfare of these animals and the risks of reintroducing predators into modern ecosystems. Could they disrupt the balance or introduce new diseases? Colossal and others are working with ethicists and conservationists to address these concerns responsibly. Despite concerns, de-extinction could help restore lost ecological functions and boost ecosystem resilience. The woolly mammoth, for example, might help maintain Arctic permafrost and combat climate change. Technologies like CRISPR can also enhance genetic diversity in endangered species. De-extinction research could revolutionize conservation and biodiversity protection. The quest to revive extinct animals showcases human ingenuity and raises big questions. Should we bring them back? What are the risks and rewards? As we enter this new era, open dialogue among scientists, ethicists, and the public is crucial. What do you think? Let's start the conversation.